cyclo cleaner. Cyclo cleaner.
Hi, I'm Nimran.
I'm Meher.
I'm Kamya.
And I'm Ria.
We're from Vasant Ali School, Vasant Kund, which is in New Delhi. We're all from the 7th grade.
This device is called the Cyclo Cleaner. We have made it keeping some points in mind. As in, we thought of it to be eco-friendly. We wanted it to be affordable by everyone in India. Our main point of view was we've seen people cleaning the roads and we've seen them walk so many distances, putting in so much work when they can actually cycle while doing it.
We decided to make it because in school a teacher came to us and she said there was a competition being held called Ignite. It was organized by NIF and it was basically students innovating and bringing their ideas to life.
Basically, we wanted to help the people who sweep the roads and walk for like kilometers just to make it cleaner for us.
Then after we got our mail, then we all prepared for the trip to Ahmedabad, very inspiring trip.
What was you four girls' contribution?
We
We
came
sent
up
the
with
idea.
We came up with the idea of a cycle
made
with
it.
brooms at the back, which will somehow
Clean the roads.
And
And
yeah.
how did you present that idea?
Okay. At first, our teacher told us that we should write a small description about how the model will look and what all improvisation you want to do, what features it will have. So we sat down and we thought of the brooms. We thought about the different ways of attaching the brooms, different kinds of brooms that would help in collecting different things of dust, and then where the dust would get stored instead of stopping and picking it all up with your hands. It's a dirty job indeed. But then after that, once we had got it out, we fed it and we mailed it to the NIF India. And when we reached the IIM campus in Ahmedabad, we were
Stunned.
surprised to see this. It's exactly what we wanted. It was dot to dot the way we wanted it. And I think it looked amazing, and we had thought of it just this way. And so it's got we had even improvised a little bit more. We had thought that if we attach this has brooms that collect the dust, it collects the leaves, it collects the plastic, but we had thought of attaching magnets to one side so it would even collect the iron materials. So it has a lot of different kind of brooms. This is a spiral broom, this is a regular broom, this is the dustbin where we store the dust, and this one just pushes it onto the side so the brooms can then.
What do you mean by spiral?
There's a difference between the spiral brooms and the regular brooms. The regular brooms have these springs.
if you stick your finger into it, you'll feel like there's a pull when you pull it out. So your finger's like slightly stuck inside.
And for the spiral
Because of,
brooms, they're spaced out, and also that the dust, it's for the light dust. So the lighter dust comes and it pushes it onto the side because it's a spiral shape.
and you put them one page on top of each other. When you pull it, it doesn't open because it's stuck together because it's like this. So that's what we're trying to do with the bristles. They get stuck inside like that.
How did you know that this has this quality of picking up bigger particles? And this will pick up dust?
Basically they were closer together, so
If I give you the explanation of, you take if you have a book and you open them both and you put one page of the first book onto the other one and the other book like this, and then keep going over and over, and finally when you close it, it's hard to pull out, right? Our basic thing was two brushes coming out from here which rotated,
Bevel gears, using bevel gears and rods, and so I think they've done it almost exactly the way. Another thing that instead of you don't always have to clean the road, so it could be used as a regular cycle. So this is foldable.
Yes.
No, we haven't shown it here.
done it, but
So this is just the
hoping that
prototype.
we'd be able to-
We'd be able to fold it in. After the experience at IIM Ahmedabad, after we met Dr. Kalam, it was really nice to meet him. He also gave a very inspiring speech, and so we were quite honored to be meeting so many people, and came back to Delhi last year. We thought that we were given a file that said that your idea has been given a patent, and so we were all excited. But then after that, we got another mail saying that there's an exhibition happening in Rashtrapati Bhavan and yours has been chosen. So we got really ecstatic like, and then the next day we were told that Dr. Pratibha Patil, the current president of India, was going to be there too. So I think it was really great, and we met her yesterday. And
What was the most challenging moment in coming up with this basic idea?
it was the most challenging.
We sat there for like 3 hours and we came up with
We had many
silly
different
ideas. We came up with ideas which may have worked, but they didn't. And then we came up with an idea. We were just fooling around, and then suddenly it snapped that it came
Like,
in
it should be eco-friendly, and why not have a cycle instead of people walking all the time?
yeah.
And what was the most the moment of frustration?
Well, when we were just thinking how it's actually going to work,
Yeah.
we thought that there would be brooms, but we didn't know how the brooms would rotate, because if we had just attached it simply, the brooms wouldn't have
wouldn't
rotated.
rotate,
They would
go
just be
back
stuck. Like if the wheel, the brooms would start going up and down with the wheel. So it was really interesting the way we had to put our mind to it and just get down to work so that we could make this thing work.
Yeah.
This is basically the main idea of the cycle, and this was the back wheel, and how we thought it would be that there would be a rod coming out like from the middle of the wheel, then another rod going back, and then another rod coming down, which it made the brooms look close together so that the dust would just automatically get collected.
If you had to show it on the bike itself, there would be like one rod coming out here and another one coming out there.
Like
So
that, and there would be like that.
Be
and
joining.
So the brooms would spin next to each other, and the dust would get collected.
Yeah, and
We
so
were planning to
basically,
have a dustbin in place.
How would the broom revolve?
so that's what was like really challenging. What it was. So when this moves, then so does this little thing in the middle. So like that.
Rod.
So if we attach the rod to this,
Then it would
it would spin like this. So then there was this whole thing about attaching bevel gears here, and then with if those bevel gears rotated, then the brush would also rotate.
We had never thought of
we
having this
never
here.
thought of this. We
This
were
was
so.
all LIS.
This is like.
Yeah, so
Really
you
amazing.
didn't make a prototype. You just
We made a prototype after we were told that yours has been selected. We didn't know that they said that they would put in their biggest effort to try to make a real life size. It's like a small cycle with the
Small
brushes
cycle
attached,
with
made out of pencils and paint brushes.
pencils. We used pencils and stuck them, and we attached brushes to them.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Cyclokina!